turn around, model.
Finally, outside the ship after 2 days.
Awesome.
How did everyone get on yesterday? Everyone all right with the saw yesterday? Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
What are we gonna do?
Kayak around the bay.
And what town are we in?
I have no idea.
We're in Louisbourg on Nova Scotia, Cape Breton. Ooh, look how clear the water is. Very pretty over here. The Louisbourg Lighthouse was the first lighthouse in Canada and is absolutely lovely with its bright white base and cheery red top. It has spectacular views of the Louisbourg Harbor, the Louisbourg Fortress, and the Atlantic Ocean. You can hike the Louisbourg Lighthouse Coastal Trail from the fortress to the lighthouse for fantastic scenery, and if you're lucky, you might spot an eagle or two. Louisbourg is a beautiful town surrounded by crystal clear waters and a thriving seafood industry. There once was a strategic French fortress to protect fishing interests and control access to the St. Lawrence River. Construction of the fortified town started in 1719 and was completed on the eve of the first siege by British forces in 1745. The British captured it, but then the French got it back in 1748 in a treaty. The British captured it again in 1758 and tore it down so the French would never have a military base there again. In 1961, the Canadian government decided to reconstruct one quarter of the original town and fortifications as they were during the 1740s as a living history museum. It is a fascinating place to visit, and who doesn't love cute goats? I highly recommend a visit.